Now let's look at identifying linear and exponential functions. Linear functions, remember, are arithmetic sequences, and exponential functions are geometric sequences. So if you can add the same amount every time, or if there is a constant rate of change, you have a line or a linear function. If you multiply each time or have that exponential curve, then you have a geometric sequence or an exponential function. Sometimes you have neither one. So if it's not linear and not exponential, you can simply write neither. You'll need to support or explain your decision in the answers. So think about what you're doing as you're doing it so that you'll be able to explain to the reader or to me why you believe that the function is linear or exponential. So let's just look at a couple of different examples. For linear functions, you'll have a constant rate of change, you will have an equation that could be written as y equals mx plus b. You'll be able to find slope, which is another way of saying constant rate of change. And visually, you would be able to see a line. Okay? Linear functions. Exponential functions do not have a constant rate of change. So a varied rate of change. They would fit in the form y equals b to the x plus c. And they would look like a curve. Alright, so let's look at a few examples and see what we think. If we think they are linear functions or exponential functions. Let's say that I have y equals 2 to the x plus 1. Linear or exponential? If you said exponential, you're right. Easy enough because there is an exponent in the equation. Alright, let's take a look at something like this. What if we have a negative 3x plus 4y equals 7? Linear or exponential? Good. Linear. Because we could rewrite this and get it into y equals mx plus b format. Or, if you've been doing your homework, you'll recognize that it's already in standard form, which is another way of writing the equation for a line. What if we had a table that looked like this? We had 1, 64, 2, 32, 3, 16, and so forth. linear or exponential? Good. Exponential, because you can see down here at the bottom, we are multiplying by 1/2 or dividing by 2 every time. So that is a multiplication process, geometric sequence, exponential function. Okay, what if I were to say that something, that something doubles? Each time. Okay. Let's say that on your homework, the number of questions that you get correct double each time you do your homework. Is that linear or exponential? Good. That would be exponential, because doubling something means you're multiplying by 2. Multiplication is an exponential function.